because today we will get to meet the lucky 35 pupils of the first batch of SSES. The first batch of SSES pupils of Ilalim, and if I'm not mistaken, this is also the first batch in Olongapo. Their curriculum program is different that of the SPED G. I will not make my message long, but simply I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the generosity of Aboitiz Foundation and Civic Emerson. Thank you so much po. Just like what I keep on saying, may your kindness be given back by God 100-fold.
Aboitiz Foundation, bakit nila ginagawa? Actually, passion talaga ng mga Aboitiz na tumutulong. 100 years, the Aboitiz has been building a sustainable future, not only for the business, but also for all our other stakeholders. This is the essence of the Aboitiz Foundation's mission, to help people help themselves, promoting exclusive growth through our focus areas of education, enterprises development, environment, health, and well-being. Only a life lived for others is a life worth living.
Magpasalamat sa Enerson sa kanila pong tahimik na pagtulong sa ating mga kabataan dito sa ating syudad. Isa po yan sa talagang agenda po ng ating pamahalaan.
Hopefully, marami pa, hindi lang dito sa Malapit, sa school, marami pa yung magala natin dito mga kabataan.